I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb stories at a party. Before we start, here are some tips. First, watch and listen to the story. During the story, try to guess the phrasal verb meanings from context. Next, answer the quiz questions after the story. Then, watch and listen to the story again so you can understand the verbs. After the second listen, there are explanations and extra examples. Finally, leave a comment below and practice. I'm your YouTube teacher. At a party. Paul is attending a party. First, he dressed up in a fancy suit and picked up a gift for the host. After mingling with the guests, he ran into an old friend. As the party began to wind down, he said goodbye to his friend. After the lively night, Paul finally decided to head out. Quiz time! Pause the video for each question. Paul dressed up in a fancy suit. What does dress up mean? Wear casual clothes? Wear fancy clothes? Wear workout clothes? Wear old clothes? That's right, it's B. Wear fancy clothes. Paul picked up a gift for the host. What does pick up mean? Forget a gift? Choose a gift? Buy or obtain a gift? Lose a gift? That's right, it's C. Buy or obtain a gift. He ran into an old friend. What does run into mean? Lose a friend? Crash a car? Unexpectedly find someone? Run far? That's right, it's C. Unexpectedly find someone. The party began to wind down. What does wind down mean? Starts? Becomes more exciting? Becomes less exciting? Starts to end? That's right, it's D. Starts to end. Paul finally decided to head out. What does head out mean? Stay at the party? Look around? Leave the place? Host a party? That's right, it's C. Leave the place. Let's apply it. Watch the video again with the definitions. Repeat the story with me to help you memorize. After, you can see more examples and write your own sentences in the comments section. At a party. Paul is attending a party. First, he dressed up in a fancy suit and picked up a gift for the host. After mingling with the guests, he ran into an old friend. As the party began to wind down, he said goodbye to his friend. After the lively night, Paul finally decided to head out. Examples: she dressed up in her finest gown for the charity event. He picked up a bouquet of flowers for his date. I ran into my old high school teacher at the bookstore. As the concert began to wind down, the band played their most popular songs. I often head out for a walk when I need some fresh air. Phrasal verb extras. The opposite of dress up is dress down, which means wear casual clothes to an event. Pick up can mean a lot of different things. In this context, it means obtain, but it can also mean lift or take. Run into can mean find someone accidentally, similar to bump into. These verbs can also be literal, which means you make contact with something. I ran into another car while I was driving. Head, as a verb, is a synonym for go. You can head somewhere, head out, and head to another place. This is because we lead with our heads. Separation. We can separate some phrasal verbs. We have to memorize the verbs we can separate. This is a very difficult skill to learn, and there's no easy way except practice. It's best to repeat what you hear and hope to learn naturally. A great place to practice is the comments section. We can separate dress up, dress a person up, pick a gift up, wind down, wind the show down. We can't separate run into, head out. Extra examples. We need to dress the baby up for her birthday party. Let's pick a gift up for the party. We can't go empty-handed. After a few hours, they decided to wind the party down and go home. Have you ever run into a friend while traveling? Let us know in the comments section. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.